Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting comparison video for you. We will be comparing two amazing espresso machines, the DeLonghi ECP3420 and the JASSY. So let's jump right into it. Both the DeLonghi ECP3420 and the JASSY have a sleek and stylish design that will add a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. The DeLonghi ECP3420 features a compact and durable stainless steel construction, while the JASSY boasts a premium build quality with its high-quality materials. Both machines are built to last and offer excellent performance. When it comes to espresso extraction, both machines excel. The DeLonghi ECP3420 is equipped with advanced technology that ensures a perfect crema extraction and a rich taste from the coffee beans. Similarly, the JASSY impresses with its 20 bars professional pump and powerful 1450W motor, guaranteeing an even extraction of all the flavors. You won't be disappointed with the quality of espresso from either of these machines. In terms of features and functionality, the DeLonghi ECP3420 offers a range of convenient options, such as a built-in steam wand for frothing milk and a removable water reservoir for easy cleaning. On the other hand, the JASSY features similar functionalities with an additional programmable cup size option, allowing you to customize your espresso according to your preferences. It's all about personal preference here. Now let's talk about the price. The DeLonghi ECP3420 is priced at $207, while the JASSY is priced at $229. It's important to note that both machines offer excellent value for their price point. However, if budget is a concern, the DeLonghi ECP3420 might be the more affordable option for you. In the end, it's all about finding the perfect balance between price and features that suits your needs. And that's a wrap for our comparison of these fantastic espresso machines. Whether you choose the DeLonghi ECP3420 or the JASSY, you'll definitely enjoy making barista-quality espressos in the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below which one you would prefer, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product comparisons. Until next time, happy brewing!